In this video, I'll show you 6 effective exercises and simple training techniques to help you build bigger, wider arms faster. I'll also explain how often you should train and how to progress for better results. Let's get straight into it. First, it's important to understand this. Arm size is not just about biceps and triceps. Your forearms also play a major role. All 3 work together, so you need to train each properly if you want thicker arms. We'll start with forearms, then biceps, then triceps. 1. Wrist roller. This is one of the most effective forearm builders. You can do it at home or in the gym. You need a stick or rod, a rope, and weight. Roll the weight up using your wrists, then lower it slowly under control. Do 2 sets. 1 full round up and down should take about 1 minute. The slower and more controlled you are, the better the muscle activation. 2. Wrist curls. Grab a dumbbell and curl using only your wrists in a controlled motion. Do 3 sets of at least 12 reps. The last 2 reps should feel slow and difficult, but still clean. If it becomes easy, increase the weight next time. That's your forearms done. 3. Bicep curls. Classic dumbbell curls for bicep size. Keep every rep controlled. Don't swing your body. Each set should go close to failure. That means you should stop only when you can't complete another clean rep. Do 3 sets of at least 12 reps. When 12 reps feel easy, increase weight instead of doing more sloppy reps. 4. Hammer curls. Hold dumbbells with palms facing each other and curl under control. This targets not just the biceps, but also deeper arm muscles that add thickness. Do 3 sets of at least 12 reps. Same rule, last reps should feel slow and tough, but form must stay strict. 5. Skull crushers. Lie on a bench and lower dumbbells or an EZ bar toward your forehead, then extend back up. This builds overall triceps mass, especially the long head. Do 2 sets of at least 12 reps. Control the lowering phase. Don't rush it. 6. Cable pushdowns. Stand at a cable machine and push the bar down with controlled movement. Keep your elbows locked in place. Do 3 sets of at least 12 reps. If you can go beyond 12 with clean form, increase the weight next session. Train this arm workout about 2 times per week, but don't train on back-to-back days. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. Beginners should stick to 2 sessions per week. If recovery feels slow, reduce volume. If recovery is fast, you can slowly increase intensity or weight over time, instead of adding random extra sessions. The more consistent you are and the better you manage recovery, the faster your results will come. And if you want to learn how to build your chest using push-ups, click the next video on your screen.